gotten really into tequila these days. A tequila.
A tequila.
I will be nice and I will take a shot along with you.
Oh, you're gonna be nice.
Yes. So, and this is how we're gonna take a shot together. I'll be right back.
Okay. What are you getting?
Oh, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a shot. So if everybody doesn't know,
I love it.
like this is a shot ski, a comedone ski. What I'm gonna do is you go like this and you take a shot, and it's like this. This is for you. This is for you, because you're an esthetician. I'm so proud of you, and it's your first comedone extract. I'm gonna cry. And we're gonna take a shot together for it, okay?
I love it.
I know. Let's pretend. You're gonna do that big cry. Stop. Stop making me cry. This is what I actually made for her when she became an esthetician. It said, "You did it."
I did the
join between patients. Oh my God, that's not just a little bit.
That's mine.
Holy cow!
You're a little wussy.
You are. She'll have all her clothes off at the end of this. Cheers.
Ooh, that was good.
Yeah,
that was very
now
good.
we're in trouble.
Now we're in trouble. We actually like this.
Hello everybody, welcome back. Dr. Pimple Popper.
And your Esty Bestie.
And we are going to show you one of my favorite drinks. I'm a vodka gal. She is more of a tequila girl. A tequila. Anyway, this is called a PimpleTinis. This is really an idea we got because, first of all, one of the first collaborations I did was with Tipsy Bartender, and he made me a Pimple Popper shot.
Toast to Dr. Pimple Popper, okay?
Do we have to drink this whole thing at the same time?
It ain't that big. It's just an easy shot.
I'm not that into shots. I like martinis. So this is a fantastic drink to have with any of your friends. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our drink. We're gonna use a martini shaker. And we're gonna put some ice in it first. Scoop some ice into that. And then we're going to put our vodka. This is 2 drinks, right? So we're gonna do both of these. And then we're gonna add a little bit of, that's a sweet and sour mix. And a little bit of the simple syrup.
A little bit of all of it.
All of that, because it's all actually portion controlled. And then the poker. So I really just mix them all together. Sometimes I'll muddle the lychee, but in this case, I'm just gonna add it as a garnish later. And then she's gonna shake it. Is that how you shake? Okay, this actually has the strainer in it. So this is the pièce de résistance. A syringe we have here. Obviously this is a really sharp point, so we're not gonna take that off. I don't want us to hurt each other. These are giant, beautiful raspberries. And stuff it in there so it's like blood inside your pilar cyst, right?
Oh.
And then I'm gonna use this, but I'm not gonna take the cap off of the syringe. And I'm gonna stab it with it, like this. And that's my little garnish, you see? Okay. So here is a PimpleTinis. Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Happy popping. Nice popping off with you guys. Cheers to a new show.
I love you. Yay.
You're amazing. Oh, that's so good. It is really good, isn't it?
It's so good.
Have you checked out the All Access membership page? You can click here to check it out.